Hey there, and welcome to DollMotion! The new Animal Crossing game, New Horizon, came out this month. And wow, now that I'm stuck sitting at home, this game really came as a blessing. I've played Animal Crossing for many years now, and my favorite thing to do is completing the museum. So, to celebrate this game release, we're going to make character Reese, a pink alpaca who was first introduced in Animal Crossing New Leaf, together with her husband Cyrus, who have a cycle store together in the game. And did you know their names are a pun on the word recycle, as in Reese, Cyrus, recycle? How cute is that? Well, my version of Reese will be a Divus inspired version, as in a more human version. And she'll be the secretary to lawyer Hank Talpa. So let's begin and make pink-loving alpaca Reese. If you saw the Reese amiibo figure in my previous RePaint video, then you found the hint. This video will contain 2 hints. One hint for the upcoming YouTube RePaint video, and one for the next reward RePaint video. So good luck finding the hints. For this custom, we're going to use this Ariel doll head, together with this Obitsu female body with soft bust. It's kind of a waste, but I have to cut off Ariel's lovely red hair. But I'm going to keep it, maybe for a future project. You never know. Wow, that's a weird look for her. Okay, let's remove Ariel's head. To do this safely without breaking the neck pack, I like to dunk the doll in hot water for a while. This makes the final of the head soft and easy to remove. Now that we can reach the neck opening, we can go through with tweezers and remove the remaining hairs. With pure acetone, I will remove the factory painted face. And it's not on DollMotion RePaint if these are still on. Looking at the skeleton of an alpaca, this custom needs digigraded legs. Many of you already know, animal characters on this channel get more animal features when they are older. My version of Reese being 37. Great, we cut the legs in 2 pieces. Now we're simply going to glue them back together, but with a small band. For this, I'm going to use sticks and a 2-part epoxy glue. When the glue is dry, we're going to fill in the gaps with epoxy sculpt. Again, wait for it to dry, and now we can sand down the epoxy for a smoother transition. Looking at Reese's design, she has black hooves. So that means we have to make the hands and feet of our custom black as well. Joints are very hard to color, so we're going to use red dye more. Fill pan with water and dye. Don't worry, I was dyeing more objects at the same time, so I wasn't wasting any dye. And now for the rest of the body. Looking at Reese's design again, it looks like her undercoat is white, with pink fur above it. I decided for this project to make the whole doll a snowy white, and her clothes and hair pink. White can be a tricky color to work with, because she can't dye the joints or overall body white. So you have to use paint. If you are using paint, I highly recommend using a primer first. This makes the paint attached to the body better. Use thin layers and let every layer fully dry before using a new layer. Great, now we can seal in the paint job with a matte varnish. I use about 2 to 3 layers. Good, let's work on the head. We are first going to paint the sculpt of the doll's head pink. This will be necessary for her pink hair later. But before we're going to do that, we're going to make our alpaca ears. Using epoxy sculpt. When they are dry, retrace the ears and take them off. Now we have a perfect guide to reroot. For our hair, we're going to use this lovely pink nylon hair, which feels very soft. Just follow the lines around our ears. Great! Now that the reroot is complete, we can secure the hairs from the inside with a contact glue and a Q-tip. Tame the hair with a boil wash to make it straight. I'm not sure how to translate Reese's blob-looking hair, so I'm going to make curls. A lot of them. For this process, I'm going to use straws, hairpins and normal pins. But definitely use new hairpins when working with wet doll hair. Otherwise you will get rust stains in the hair. When all the curls are set, it's time for a second boil wash. And now that the hair is dry, we're going to let in the hairpins for now and work on our animal face features. We're going to place her nose lower on the face. And yeah, okay, I really can't work with all those curls in the way. So we need to unpin a few so we can reach the face. Ah, that's better. Using again epoxy sculpt, we're going to sculpt her an alpaca looping nose and upper lip. Yeah, in the end I had to replace the nose with only epoxy sculpt. It just looked better. Okay, the epoxy is dry, so let's pin back the curls so we can paint her head white as well. I like to use a few layers of matte varnish to get a smooth face surface. Good, let's pin back all the hairs and the scrap fabric so we can spray the doll's face with a layer of Mississippi clear. We start the face up by sketching in the face with a watercolor pencil. Although Reese's original design has 2 black buttons as eyes, I'm going to give my version of Reese blue eyes. That will contrast great with all the pink later. For our makeup, I'm going for a 60s mod style. So that means blue eyeshadow, rouge and a lot of eyelashes. And now for something interesting. The pupil. Alpaca have, just like goats and sheep, a horizontal pupil, which looks kinda creepy. So I hope I can pull it off. Let's answer the question of the day. What will happen when you run out of Divus characters to make? There are so many animals in the world, so I don't think it will ever happen. Making characters on my own design is something I really enjoy, and it's less stressful. Because, well, when you make a character that isn't your own, especially if it's a popular character, not everyone will be happy with the end result. But a custom like Reese, as a very loosely inspired custom, is something I would like to do more in the future. So, do you have a question of the day? Please leave your question in the comment section, and maybe I will answer it in the next RePaint video. Back to the face up. A few finishing touches and we can spray the face with Mr. Super Clear. I was wondering what kind of tail Reese had, but she doesn't really have one. Maybe it's behind the bow. Well, an alpaca does have a tail. So let's make one out of pink yarn. I comb out a few streaks and glue them on a freezer bag. And with a hot glue gun I go around a wire. A small trim and we have a pink tail. With a 2-part epoxy glue I secure the tail into the body. Back to the ears we made earlier. I still have some leftover flock from my Decora K bunny, so that saves us some time. Cover the ears with fabric glue and dip them into the flock. Wait a few hours and we have flocked ears. Some blushing with pastel powders and they can be glued into the head. Finally, outfit time! Reese's obsession for pink will be presented by her dyed hair and pink outfit. My reward doll repaint Betty was overall inspired by suburban 50s. For Reese, I'm inspired by the 60s office look. My overall inspiration for this doll is the series Mad Men and this Barbie Silkstone doll named the Secretary, made in 2007. This doll has been on my wishlist like forever. And you know what? Let's try to remake her outfit by looking at the pictures. Of course, our version will have different colors. I really couldn't find a suiting fabric that mimics tweed fabric, so I'm going with this old pillowcase. Okay, first we're going to make the blazer. And now the long pencil skirt. To contrast the colors better, I'm going with a white blouse. The Silkstone Barbie also has a scarf. Mine will be this baby blue color, which will match with her blue eyes and makeup. She does need some stockings. Luckily, I still have these from my BB Girl unboxing video. And now for accessory. I use a lot of miniatures from my Divus series. And I like to store them in these boxes for every team. This box contains paper items, books, electronics and games. I still have there it is, a pink tablet. But I also have a pink watch and a pink laptop. Perfect. I also found her a pair of shoes, bracelets, and I made her a belt. The shoes of course need a small repaint to pink. Her hands are getting pink nails. Well, Reese is married to her husband Cyrus, so she's also needing a wedding ring. Let's attach the accessories. Her hair is getting a curl styling with my Screaming Man hair gel. Two small eyelashes and the doll is done. I asked my lovely patrons what Reese's surname should be, and they decided on Rosea, meaning pink in Latin. Wow, I just noticed I make a full pink doll every year. We had Franger in 2018, Olivia in 2019, and now Reese. Not many people know this, but making these repaint videos take a lot of time to make. From start to finish, about a month. We really need to thank the supporters of the channel who made the repaint videos and Divus episodes possible. If you become a supporter on Patreon or YouTube membership, you'll be able to watch the newest repaint video, Betty Avis, Pigeon Mother to Olivia and Henry Avis. Thank you so much, Chelsea Panda Monkey, Art Weasel Customs, Laura Oliver Hatfield, The Ariel Jedi, Melody Lycan YT, Scully Loves, Amy Minch, and everyone else for supporting this channel. Thank you so much. Before I end this video, I would like to say this video was original and collab with Fevia Dolls. But although our collab didn't go through because of different upload schedules, you really should check out her channel. And like always, like if you liked it and sub if you loved it. Don't forget to ring the bell because the Divus series is getting very interesting. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!